Hello everyone.
Hey everyone.
And welcome back to Dog and Partridge, a place of own fine craft ales. If you haven't met him before, he's not Ian Vindaloo, and he is hoping England will score once more. It's the world famous Alan Partridge.
It's the world famous brewmaster brother Dave Partridge. He must work these out beforehand because I've never heard that before. That was funny. Alright, bro.
Yes, I'm alright, bro. Obviously as well, this is pre-football.
Pre-football match here, we're recording this. So
we'll also be discussing which is our favourite brother to drain our sorrow, to win with.
yeah, well, right, yeah, okay. To celebrate with.
To celebrate,
yes, marvellous. What we got on the board tonight, bro?
We've got a range of beers across the bar from our range of suppliers.
Lovely jubbly. Where are we starting?
We're going to start with the glass actually we're drinking out of this evening.
Oh, glass.
This is being made. I just want to give a big shout out to Louise Dawson for making a couple of glasses for us. If like just show them.
I don't feel that'll show up on camera very well.
But
To the
camera.
They've been
a bit of a Dog and Partridge
engraved sort of thing. I've got a thing in there.
Oh,
Hopefully that comes out on camera, but you know, that's all right, isn't it? Hey,
yeah,
that's all right. Thank you very much.
Oh, the glass back now,
All right. So that's glasses.
Yep.
What's next?
Beer, of course. This is what we're here for.
Where are we starting, Brad?
I thought we'd start with probably Lupomax Citra from Brewed. This is a brand new extract kit.
Brand new extract. So brand new, we haven't got packaging. Right, so I've been on the website, bro, and it says Lupomax Citra IPA beer kit, showcasing the brand new enhanced hop pellets,
yes, that's
paired with the verdant IPA yeast to allow that beautiful apricot flavour to shine through.
Brand new hop pellet there, yeah.
Lovely. Okie dokie. This is 3.9%, it says. Tells you gravity. Website's always good if you can't find the info because it's got everything on here. What's in your kit, what it brews to.
You do get 2 tubs of malt extract from Chris. They've teamed up with Chris Maltings. I've probably heard if you listened to before.
Yeah.
But they have teamed up with Chris Maltings. And it is just malt extract. So you do get a test tube of bitterness to add.
Okie dokie. This is a £28.35, so it's getting onto the premium end of the beer kits, isn't it?
I don't know if that's got something to do with the new hops, the new malt extract, but most premium beer kits now are going to be up that way, I'm afraid, with the price increases because of that variant, Delta, Johnson, India, whatever.
Don't get me started. Anyway, back to the beer.
Back to the beer, more importantly. Let me put some more in your Dog and Partridge glass.
So, we're expecting, hopefully, a lovely Citra nose. Really smells good, that does, bro.
Oh, let me get there. It does, doesn't it? Yeah, good hoppiness there.
Oh, look, I'm going to stuck my nose in it now. Look at that. Straight in there. Oh, dear Lord.
That good?
What is that?
Yeah, there's zestiness there coming
very much so, yeah. A little bit hazy, maybe, is it?
A little bit hazy there. I think I'll answer it again. But they do good thing with Brewed. They do put their hops in hot tea bags.
Okie dokie.
So you shouldn't get really any hops in your beer.
I mean, that's me, but it is clearing because you only just pulled it off. So.
Yeah. And it's cold, so yeah.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Try it.
It's not bad. But I'm not getting the punchiness on it.
You know what? I was just going to say, because the first instinct is, oh yeah, that's nice, but there's no, is there?
From that smell, you think, citrus zest,
I'm going to get a
peach
smack.
flavours, stone fruit flavours, and I'm afraid it failed slightly.
I'm going to have to agree with you. I was expecting, from the nose, I was expecting a lot more punch from that. But it is only a 3.9%.
Yeah, but nevertheless, you can have a 1.5% beer, and like we had from Dark Rock the other week, and it
has got quite a nice dry aftertaste, though.
It's got quite a nice dry aftertaste. Yeah. The body is good. The flavour is good.
Oh, it's good.
It's just not.
It's not slapping your face, is it? Which is what you probably want from a Citra.
I suppose, really, at the end of the day, it is a more easy drinking session. Without actually being overpowered with the hops.
I could quite sit outside on a sunny afternoon. You remember we used to get those in this country, drinking a pint of that.
Or watch a football.
Or rugby.
It's been cancelled, COVID.
Anyway. What are we giving that, bro?
Oh, well, yeah, that's a good point, bro.
What are we giving it?
I reckon a good solid 8 out of 10.
Oh, I'm with you. I'm with you on that. I reckon about an 8 out of 10 because you just want it to be that little bit more, really. Yeah. Especially for a premium end sort of price beer kit. Yeah.
Now, talking about being good beer, 8 out of 10 extra, I've reinstated the 12 beer kits of Partridge.
Dun dun dun!
But now it's called the 12 extract beer kits of Partridge.
What we got here, bro?
Well, with a lot of new kits coming out, I thought it's time to reinstate the 12 kits of Partridge. Just make an extract.
Rightio.
So straight in at number 1
is the Muntons flagship range Hazy IPA.
Now that can change. Obviously, we have got a lot of new kits to try, a lot of new kits coming out.
It's going to take some doing though, bro.
It's going to take some doing.
Of course, that was a fantastic kit.
So the rest of the list, malt extract, stays mostly the same.
Okay.
Apart from New Zealand Pilsner by Festival, which I've removed.
Oh, why have you removed it, bro?
Because I did it again, and it turned out a lot browner.
Yes.
And a lot kind of inconsistent to the way it was before. Yeah. Somebody else also, one of my subscribers, also messaged me and said, my New Zealand Pilsner has come out brown and it doesn't taste right. So for that inconsistency, I've took it off the list.
Okay. So just a quick rundown. In at number 1, we've got Muntons flagship range, Hazy IPA. Down at number 4, because we've got no 2 and 3 at the minute, we've got Dark Rock Session Series West Coast IPA.
That's that 1 tin kit with their in answer. Now, I've put it in here at 4, but I'm not sure if it is as good as Young's American IPA.
Or the Festival Raceback. I did like the Festival Raceback.
So I might actually put that down in 8th. Or I could even go down a little bit.
You've got a Mocha Porter in at 7.
Yeah,
from Young's. The Kutch, the Muntons Tony Rebel Kutch, that's always a good favourite of mine. That deserves to be on there. Yeah, I'm not going to argue with any of them at the minute, but we can move it about.
We can move it about, and there will be new kits coming out. We've been waiting a long time for new kits, and it's almost like a load have come out all at once. So, I mean, especially Muntons, we've waited years for Muntons to come out with new kits, and it's a big deal that they're releasing new kits.
The flagship range, which is brilliant, really, isn't it? Well, the first one we tried is anyway.
The first one we tried was. We will have to try the rest. I have got them on the go.
We've got all of them there.
Will be coming around very soon. So, stay tuned and subscribe to Dom and Partridge.
What's next, Brad?
Next is, right, just before I quickly move on, I'm going to tell you something. So the Lupomax Citra is not good enough to make it onto the 12 beer kits for Partridge.
I would agree. I would agree with that.
Right, now, next.
Are we going on to another beer?
We are going on to another beer, sir. Right. We are going on to... We'll stay with Get a Brewed, I think.
Okay, right. Phone again, need my phone.
And we're going to go full grain kit this time for those guys over in Ireland. If you haven't been to Get a Brewed before, they do a load of kits. They do. You can buy just the grains, your hops, etc. They also do a range of kegging, brew machines, a lot.
This next one we're trying is Pimped Up APA.
It is indeed.
Kit. This is a full grain kit, isn't it?
It is indeed.
And hence, in fact, it's quite a bit cheaper. It's $23.25. Again, similar sort of information on the website there. In fact, well, a lot more information because you've got a lot more of the ingredients on there. Basically, this is a classic style and arguably the forerunner to the development of the quality beer in the US. This is a slightly different take on it, using same classic malt bill, but using a mixture of old and new hops for a punchier flavour aroma.
Well, we'll be the judge that way.
We'll be the judge of that.
That's what we're here for. Oh, so I've done this in my all-in-one system, in my Brew Devil, and yeah. So here we are.
That's an APA. Yeah?
It's an APA, Amber Pale Ale.
That's an Amber Pale Ale, and
or American Pale Ale.
Or American, or well, because it is
American
Amber.
Pale Ale.
It's American and Amber, so it fits either, doesn't it?
Yeah. Fairly clear. I can see through that.
Yeah, if you can see that on the camera there, it's got a bit of condensation on the glass, but yeah, it's nice.
Aromas.
I can say a mixed bag there.
Yeah, there's a lot of malt in the background, but I wouldn't say there's a big pile of hops coming through.
I'm getting more malt than hops.
Yeah.
It's a bit light on the nose actually, isn't it, as well? So I'm going in. Cheers.
Cheers. Again, it ain't bad.
It's not bad in the slightest, you know.
In fact, go on, tell me. I was more impressed with this when I kegged it. I kegged it and thought, that's going to be a cracking beer. Now, it's been in the keg about 4 or 5 weeks. And I think it's lost some of its punchiness.
Okay. You see, to me, it's borderline great. Because it's a good beer. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It tastes good. It tastes nice. It's quite refreshing. It's got a nice dryness on the palate. But it's not knocking me socks off.
No.
But it's a good beer.
It's a good beer.
Again, you could quite happily quaff a few pints of it.
I think that gets a little bit heavy after a while.
Oh, right, okay.
And I don't think you could quaff a few pints of it, because after a few pints, you're on full.
Okay, yeah, I mean, you're going to have to prove that point to me later on. So, yeah.
But, again, a good solid 8 out of 10. There's a good dry bitterness, but there's not enough flavour coming through from the hops. And the hops in that do seem slightly unbalanced to me.
Yeah, I'll go with you on that.
And they kind of don't blend together. You kind of get like a dry, tinny, tangy kind of.
It's a little bit of a mixed bag, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's neither one thing nor the other.
No, the malts don't work with the hops, personally, I don't think.
Are you trying to be an amber ale? Or are you trying to be an APA? It's a bit too mixed for me.
Yeah.
That's what I'd say.
Yeah. It's a good solid 8 out of 10.
It's good beer. If somebody put that in front of you and said, drink that, you say, yeah, thank you very much.
But yeah.
But we're looking for perfection in the DMP. Rightio. We're going on to third beer. We're talking about suppliers. What we're going to go to.
Yeah, we'd like to just give a big shout out to Brew to Bottle.
Hang on a minute. Hey, look at this. I look like one of them there Americans, look.
All right there, son.
Okay, Billy Bob. How you know that, eh?
God, take that off.
Yeah, I'll take that off.
Yeah, they've sent us through a couple of cider kits.
Oh, thank you very much, Stuart.
Yeah, so we don't normally do cider in the DMP.
Well, you in the past has made his own cider from fresh fruit, which was an annual sort of thing once upon a time sort of thing, but we don't do a lot of cider kits, do we?
No. So they sent us a couple of cider kits, the same cider kit twice.
Oh.
One to brew with sugar and one to brew with malt extract.
Okay.
Or Mangrove Jack's new enhancer, should I say.
Okay, to see what the difference is between the two.
So they'll be coming shortly in the DMP. Not next time, but the time after.
Okay. Yeah. So, again, Brewed Bottle, thanks for sending us a few bits. Also, I ordered the last remaining Muntons kit from the flagship range from there the other day. And I must say, great service, easy to use website, and it came the next bloody day. Exactly. So, you know.
Not like that, can you?
Can't go wrong with that, can you, really? So, yeah. Great. So, we're reviewing them soon.
Thank you. Martin Eskith over at Brew to Bottle. I wonder if he's a relation.
Oh, anything to do with racing?
You never know.
Oh, you never know, do you? Right, okay.
I'll have to ask him.
Third beer.
We're over to Dark Rock now. One of their one tin kit. He's lost
it. Like, it's a 1 tin kit. Like, it's a 1 tin kit. Yeah. It's a Dark Rock, the Session Series English Amber Ale.
Yep.
A quintessential amber ale. The well-balanced maltiness is complemented by the addition of English First Gold hops. Close your eyes, take in the aroma. Hello, it's telling us what to do on it.
Yeah, right.
Close your eyes, take in the aroma and warming flavours, and you will be transported to the hop fields of Kent.
Right, yeah.
Who wrote it? Anyway, so obviously, bro, does it say what it is? It's a 1 tin kit. There you go, folks.
Yeah. It is a 1 tin kit. It is $15.99. It does now come with a hop boost.
Oh, it says so in the corner. It now includes hop boost. Okay. So do you need to, or did you add anything else to this
I added their enhancer.
Okay.
Which is another $4.99.
Okay.
But it does include pure brew.
Okay.
And in the answer, etc. So it's got hot boost, it's got pure brew, and it's got the enhancer in it.
Just under 20 quid, or just
it's
about
going to work
20
out
quid.
just over 20 quid.
Just over 20
that's
quid,
$15.99.
Yeah. Just over
22 quid.
Yeah. Marvellous. Right.
So still cheap compared to some of the, or cheaper compared to some of the premium kits.
That's not something. It's amber, like it said it was. Yeah. What's your own like, Brian? Are you in Kent, yeah?
Let me close my eyes.
We're closing our eyes.
Am I in the hot fields of Kent? No.
No, I'm in the DMP. But it has, having said that, got quite an unusual aroma, hasn't it?
Yeah. I don't know about quite the hot fields of Kent, more like, well, I am still in the field, but
I'm getting a bit of
earthy taste.
Licoricey, earthy sort of back. Ooh, right. I'm not sure if I'm going to like this, folks. Cheers.
Cheers.
Third pint, here we go.
No. I don't like it.
I'm not keen.
I think the hops they've put in there, again, don't blend well with the malt. And there's a strong maltiness taste. And they've tried to hide that strong malty taste with some hops that don't really blend very well, in my opinion.
Also, the aftertaste, when you, particularly like a black treacle almost, isn't it?
It's a very dry.
Very.
I think that's the amount of hops they've put in there, because you do get a bag of dry hopping to do with these one kits, and I just think that's
Now that might be to your taste.
Yeah,
we have to emphasise this. These are only our personal opinions.
Yeah.
But that's not for me.
That's not for me either.
No.
No.
No. Well,
no 10 out of 10s in the D&B tonight.
There's nothing eating the list tonight, is there, then, bro? Shock and horror.
So the football's better.
Well, penalties, basically. Shall we see what's coming next in the D&P?
You can, but first of all, I'd like you to choose your favourite beer to wash down the football.
Well, out of these ones we've got on the bar tonight, I'm going to have to probably say the Lupomax.
Yeah, me too.
I think.
Yeah, that's not an 8 out of 10. I think that's more of a 7 out of 10. And do I think I can tell that's a one-team kit as well, actually?
To me, it's got that slight watery taste to it.
It's got a slight watery taste to it. And it's probably got it's trying to hide a little bit of that homebrew twang you get sometimes.
Yeah, I'll grab this back because this is what I'm going to be watching the football with.
There we go. Cheers.
You see, you go back to that, and that's
better.
That's better. Miles better.
Right then, bro, it is time for you to tell everybody at home what's on the D&P next time.
Next time, in the D&P, we've got Mangrove Jack's Nelson Sauvin IPA.
That's another new kit. Yes, I think for the first time in the D&P, we have 3 new kits.
Fantastic. And is that a extract kit?
That's an extract kit.
Lovely.
Brand new from Mangrove Jack's.
Okay, Dark Rock, no drama, New Zealand IPA.
That's another new kit, but that is a park grain kit.
He's full of it tonight. Dark Rock, Indian Pale Ale Lager.
Indian Pale Lager, yeah.
Lager? Yeah. Right, fair enough. I quite like a lager then again.
You'll like this one. And we'll be showing you how I've carved this, because I don't use CO2. But I will be showing you everybody at home a nice, easy little tip if you're using pub gas and you want to just do a little bit more of a gassy one.
Oh, right, yeah. He's going to be full of information next time by the sounds of it, folks.
So, if you're not watching on YouTube, get over there and subscribe.
And thank you to those that have subscribed. It keeps creeping up, doesn't it, Brad?
Yeah,
you know,
it keeps creeping up. Really.
Lots of comments on there. Thanks for all that.
Yeah, very much indeed.
Lovely jubbly.
He's out of bed. Legs are off.
Oh, she's waiting to the end, look.
Yeah.
She's putting
Legs
it
are
in.
Legs are off. Legs are off. Guys, get a bit football here.
Right. Right, anyway.
It's challenge time.
Alexa, off.
Now, I hate to say
Sorry about that,
but that's ruined the end of the video, hasn't it? Because she keeps butting in. Never mind. These things happen.
I'll remind me to unplug that next time.
Oh, I think you can unplug it and drop kick it across a yard.
Play football.
Right, I think that's it then, bro, isn't it?
That's it. Until next time, it's goodbye from him.
And it's a goodbye from him.
Huzzah!
Huzzah!
Come on, England!
Come on, England! Hey!
Cheers.